So as you can see, today is Wednesday, and the time is currently 10:12 a.m. So I'm currently on this trade on GU, currently on a trade. So let me just give you guys a quick breakdown. So what I do first, I go to the higher time frame, right, such as the 4 hour, the daily time frame, just to understand where price is going on the moment. Is it up or down, whatever, just to understand where price is going. I'm currently on 4 hour right now. On 4 hour, you can see price breaking structure to the upside, crazy going up. Feel me? So obviously we can see that it's on a bullish move, on a bullish trend. So I'll wait for pullbacks. You understand? Ideally, I should be longing, right? Because price is bullish. When price is bullish, you long. When price is bearish, you long. So, but if you understand what really happens, price break structure, you understand, we know that start anticipating for pullbacks, right, to a discounted level, then we could buy. Ideally, that's how we should do it, you understand. So but me right now, I'm currently on a position on a sell. You could do what you want to do only when you have the knowledge, you understand. So for beginners right now, I don't think you should attempt this kind of approach, you understand. Just trade with the trend. Yeah, that's what they say, but if you know what you're doing, you could benefit on every move, you get me. So you can see currently 4 hour with bullish, understand. Secondly, we just pull out about Fibonacci to kind of understand where you should be buying from, you understand. Or you should ideally be buying from a discounted level, understand. So what I do is anything below 50%, I'll look for my point of interest right there, you understand. As you can see right now, this is my 50% level. Sorry, this is my 50% level, you understand. Price is already on a discounted level, understand. This is my 50% level, so I should be looking at a point of interest, right? The point of interest on that 50, below the 50%, you understand. That's 61 or 75 or 78, you understand. That's ideally where I personally look for my point of interest, you understand. So you can see price fielding. I have a field reaction here. Field reaction means when price fail to go on a certain direction, then change, you understand. And as you can see here, price breaking, pulling back, you understand, failing to continue, then break. So that's ideally where I usually look for my point of interest. I'll wait for something like order block, you understand, order block especially, you feel me. And I just pull out my Fibonacci right now. Coincidentally, you can see this is not coincident. It just happens to be the level is a 78% level, you understand, which I do actually look for point of interest. You can see it very clear. We have order block right here. I just fixed it by itself. It just showed me like this, which is meaning everything is good, right? For it to align by itself like this, it's telling you something, you understand. So this is our 78, you understand. So ideally I should be waiting for price to reach before I long, right? But instead of doing that, presently since price is pulling back, right, I'll just go down to my 15 minutes to understand, get an entry, you understand, to just ride on the current trend, you understand, before the main one happens. You feel me? Because price is pulling back, right? Price is on a premium level. We should always be looking for sales, right? That's how it should be. So right now, yeah, price is already on a premium level, so I'm expecting price to drop to the discount level before I long, ideally. But currently I'm seeing some sell opportunity before I just boom snap in, you understand. So this is a sell. I drop down to my 15 minutes, you understand. That'll be giving me a better entry, better risk to reward, and having me have a nice trade though. So yesterday I executed this trade. You can see all I'm looking for is a break of structure, a level that serves liquidity, you understand, and break structure, you understand. Then I wait for pullback and continuation to ride on the continuation, if you know how price moves. So right now you can see yesterday around let's say we got triggered on this trade around around 1:45 p.m. right, 1:45 p.m. of yesterday, which is 25th. Sorry 29. You understand? Today is 30. So yesterday was 29. Around 1:45 p.m. That's when I got triggered on this trade yesterday. So all I did was looking for a level that swept liquidity. You can see this is liquidity sweep, higher highs, double equal highs. You understand? Sweep liquidity before the break of structure. That's all I'm looking for. Then I wait for pullbacks as usual. So price pullback, tag me in. I was putting my stop loss above this level. You understand? Which is the like ideal level and safest level. You understand? Because if price is to like break the level, I don't think the trade is more valid, if you know what I mean. So all I did was wait for pullback, boom, snapping, wait for this little liquidity sweep. You understand? You see this wick above these bodies, and wait for a break, and I took the second position. Right, I took 2 positions on this trade. Second position, 2, same stop loss. You understand? So that's how we ride on the continuation. Understand? To like have a better risk to reward, then keep on holding. You know, it's all about set and forgetting. Understand? If you need to be right, you need to be right once. You understand? Then just be like executing, like increasing more positions to your trend. That is like that will give you more better trade. You understand? If you be right, you make a lot of money out of it. You understand? So that's when I just when price start moving, I move my stop loss. You understand? I adjust my stop loss. So all in all, in these both positions, right, I'm risking 1% in general. You understand? Nothing above 1%. So each position should be like taking 0.5. You understand? 0.5 is better, so that even though I should get stopped out, I'm just risking just 1%, which is crazy, right? Just 1%, right? Nothing much. So at current position right now, I only have an open risk of 0.5. You understand? So now I probably have another 0.5 that could even scale in another position. You know, it makes more sense. You understand? So 0.5 only open risk. You understand? On both position, 0.5, crazy, right? So right now, yeah, if I should have a pullback around this level, I'll take another position, risking 0.5, putting my stop loss above here, risking that same 0.5, so that in general it should be like 1%. And you can see that will be like 3 positions. If price should go my way, you know how much, you know how crazy that would be. So that's for now. You understand? We'll just keep setting and forgetting, and see how price plays. You understand? So if price should pull back, I'll probably get a trade, but regardless, I'm gonna inform you guys. You understand? So I had to make $400. You understand? To pass phase 1, right? And right now I'm up already 120. You understand? On the both position, you can see this is the trade. You understand? This is the trade idea. This is everything. So this is a live account. Check it out. You understand? Funded next. This is my name. This is my everything. You know, P1. That's phase 1. You understand? We're currently up 120. You understand? So let's set and forget, and let's see how it goes though.
Trade update. So currently the time is 3:20 p.m. and we have officially smashed TP, which is a great thing. Understand? After 24 hours of holding. Well, it's a good day still. So this is the P&L for today.
So we are currently up 27,800 today, which is a great day. So it's total right now we're up $300, right? And all is required right now is to make 400, right? So I think we just need 100 more to pass phase 1. Pretty solid though. At least it's a progress. You see, being up $300, it's a very good feeling, right? Especially when you are on a challenge phase. You understand? All it's required for me now is just $100 more to pass phase 1. But this is where a lot of people really mess things up, really fuck things up, right? You started chasing trade, over trading, over risking, doing unusual thing, and all is required for you is to just do the same thing you just did that gave you this 300. It's pretty easy. So just try to keep it simple
trying to keep it easy, you understand? Nothing has changed, you know. So if you like this is where the video is gonna be coming to an end. If you love videos like this, there's only one way you will see this channel again, is when you subscribe to the channel, join the family, and I'll see you guys on another one. Peace.